1. We present to your attention an amazing opportunity to become the owner of the iconic 1971 Pontiac GTO, available at a price of $25,000. This GTO, with the code 242, is a genuine rare find. The 151,000 miles traveled left no traces on its reliable 400 cubic inch engine, which is original for this model. The Turbo 400 automatic transmission works perfectly and is equipped with a reinforced shift mechanism. This GTO is initially equipped with air conditioning, but at the moment there is no compressor. It is also equipped with factory cruise control and an adjustable steering wheel. The engine is equipped with an Edelbrock suction manifold and a Holley carburetor, which gives it extra power. The car was painted about 20 years ago, and although the body is not devoid of imperfections, the overall condition can be estimated at 7 out of 10. The interior is in good condition, with little damage to the rear seat. The head covering and the upper part of the dashboard are also intact. This GTO is a great option for connoisseurs of authentic cars, providing a unique opportunity to become the owner of a legendary car with a pure Minnesota title. 2. We present to your attention a unique opportunity to purchase the original 1951 Chevrolet Styline two-door hardtop at a price of $13,000. This car has retained its original engine and transmission, a reliable combination of 216 cubic inches and a 3-speed gearbox. The machine has an impressive resistance to rust and has minimal signs of corrosion. The interior of the car is in good condition, preserving its original character. Although the car has spent a long time in the parking lot, it is still able to carry out short trips around the city and to work, although it requires some technical improvements. Despite some minor problems, such as a small leak in the radiator, the car provides an opportunity to become part of the history and culture of cars of the 1950s. The seller is also open to exchange for other classic cars or collectible signs. The price is $13,000 with Supreme wheels or $12,500 with regular wheels. 3. A unique 1955 Chrysler New Yorker Deluxe is for sale at a price of $13,000. This car is currently in perfect condition and is a real find for collectors. Since its release, it has only 2 owners. The original Hemi engine with a mileage of only 28,000 miles gives this car uniqueness and preserves its authentic character. It starts with a bang, and every time it starts, it reminds of the rich history of cars. This car with a blue exterior color and an interior in the same color is not only a monument to the style of the 1950s, but also a reflection of a careful attitude to its past. The car has a clean title, has no significant damage or problems. If you're looking for something unique and historically valuable, this Chrysler New Yorker Deluxe is your perfect choice. 4. For sale, a magnificent 1964 Ford Thunderbird for $14,900. This car is currently in excellent condition, and its history goes back to the first year of production of the 4th generation Thunderbird. With this car, you get not only a beautiful vehicle, but also a piece of history. It was restored a few years ago, but still looks at the highest level. The original Rangoon red color has been replaced with an exquisite burgundy, which makes this Thunderbird even more attractive. The interior in black and gray tones with fabric and vinyl finishes Pompany looks like new and is a rarity for such cars. This Thunderbird is equipped with a variety of chrome-plated parts and also has control systems for power windows, door locks, brakes, and steering. The power plant of this car includes a sleek and powerful 390 V8 that works perfectly. The automatic transmission was rebuilt, the front bumper was re-chrome plated, and regular maintenance was carried out, including replacement of the exhaust system, shock absorbers, and brakes. This Thunderbird is not just a car, it is the perfect vehicle for comfortable trips with refined style. 5. A restored magnificent 1966 Dodge Charger is on sale for $45,000. This car is currently in perfect condition after undergoing a complete serial restoration and now represents a real work of art. With this Charger, you get not only a stylish car, but also a piece of history. It is equipped with the original HAO 383 engine, which has retained its original power. The 727 automatic transmission also remained true to the original. This car has traveled only 29,606 miles, which confirms its originality. Gorgeous red paint with a white interior creates a stunning look. The car is equipped with many options, such as power windows, air conditioning, leather interior, and power steering. This Charger is not only a car, it is a perfectly restored creation that impresses with its appearance and performance. He is ready to win the hearts of collectors and connoisseurs of classic cars. 6. The stunning 1964 Chrysler Newport is on sale for $13,900. This car is currently in excellent condition and is a perfectly preserved copy. With this Newport, you get not only a beautiful appearance, but also a unique story. The sedan is equipped with a 361 V8 that works perfectly with an automatic transmission. Having driven only 55,000 miles, this car is a perfect example of saved time. The car was well maintained by the collector, which is confirmed by its general condition. Several upgrades have been carried out recently, including new tires and shock absorbers, as well as replacement of the battery, generator, fuel pump, water pump, and other parts. This Newport is ready for daily driving, providing comfort and pleasure from cruises. The original black exterior and interior create a magnificent contrast. The owner is guaranteed the pleasure of driving this unique car. 7. The stunning 1979 Plymouth Duster is for sale at a price of $16,000. This car is currently in excellent condition and is a magnificent example of American classics. This Duster is equipped with a soft stone, which adds extra power to its 340 motor. Automatic transmission, efficient brakes, and power steering make it not only beautiful, but also comfortable to drive. Having driven 79,000 miles, this car is a well-preserved specimen. The exterior color tan and the interior also follow a dark color scheme, creating a stylish image. 14-inch magnetic wheels add a touch of retro style. This Duster is great for both everyday driving and for participating in car shows. The car has a clean title and has no serious damage or problems. 8. There is an exciting 1960 Cadillac DeVille Sedan 4D on sale, and the price of this beauty is $39,995. This magnificent car, with a mileage of 65,000 miles, is equipped with an original 390 engine and an automatic transmission. The car successfully copes with traffic and promises comfortable driving. Its stylish design and original features make it attractive to collectors and fans of retro cars. Despite some shortcomings in the paint and chrome, the car is an excellent option for those who appreciate elegance and performance in a classic design. This machine has a working factory air conditioning system, as well as all the windows, wipers, and other systems in working order. With this 1960 Cadillac DeVille, you will get not only a car, but also a piece of automotive history. Don't miss your chance to become the proud owner of this classic masterpiece. 9. You have a chance to purchase the stunning 1957 Chevrolet Belair, which is currently available for $19,000. This magnificent car has traveled 60,000 miles and is equipped with a 283 motor with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The aesthetics of this car attracts the eye, especially its red exterior and red interior, creating a great combination. American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels are installed on this beauty, which adds a sporty look to it and gives it a unique style. This 1957 Chevrolet Belair is not just a car, it is a piece of history that can become the pride of your collection. Don't miss your chance to make this rare car a part of your life and enjoy driving on the roads of a real classic. 10. The magnificent 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk is for sale, which is currently available at a price of $39,500. This impressive car has driven 50,240 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It looks great in black with a red interior, which creates a stunning contrast and gives this car a unique style. This Studebaker Golden Hawk has 2 owners, a complete set of documents, including a clean title, and has no serious damage or problems. This car is not just a vehicle, it is a real work of art and history that can become the pride of your collection. If you appreciate the elegance and style of classic cars, The 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk is the perfect choice for you. Do not miss the opportunity to become the proud owner of this unique car.